Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix your Instagram feed could not refresh. So if you are not able to refresh your Instagram feed and you are getting that error, make sure to stick till the end and watch the video. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have strong internet connection on your device. Sometimes due to poor internet connection, you might not be able to refresh your Instagram feed. So check for your internet connection, or else you can also try to switch your internet connection with your mobile data as well. And if that doesn't still help, simply turn on your airplane mode, and then again after a few seconds turn that off and restore your network, and then check if that will work out. If not, then make sure that your Instagram app is updated. For that, open Play Store, and from the top on the search bar, search for Instagram, and here you will see an update option where I have opened. If your app is out of update, simply tap on update and your app will get updated. After that, head back to Instagram and look if you can refresh your Instagram feed, and if not, again open settings on your device, and then you have to tap on app. Here you will see all your apps installed on your device. There, look for Instagram and tap on Instagram. Once you're on this page, there tap on storage and cache, and then again tap on clear cache. This will clear all the temporary file linked to Instagram, which will help you to fix the issue. Again, head back to your Instagram profile, and then you will be able to fix the issue. So this is how you can simply fix Instagram newsfeed not working. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.